Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock the phone and plug in if battery is critically low so features respond predictably. Open settings and go straight to battery or power. Once there, locate the Ultra Battery Saver entry. It may be labeled Energy Saver, Ultra Mode, or similar depending on brand. Make sure you understand if the mode is turned on manually or set to trigger at a percentage. This first step prevents accidental re-enabling and lets you control the exact toggle you need to change. Now you act. Tap the Ultra Battery Saver entry to reveal the toggle and any sub-options. Switch the main toggle to off. If it's scheduled, open Schedule and set it to none or adjust the trigger percentage higher so it won't activate. Once off, inspect the app restriction list and re-enable background activity or data for apps you rely on. Make sure connectivity settings like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi aren't still blocked. These steps restore normal performance while preventing immediate reactivation. Finish by confirming the change. Look at the status bar and reopen battery settings to verify the mode reads normal or off. If you still see limited behavior, restart the device to clear lingering power management caches. Make sure your system is up to date. Outdated firmware sometimes reasserts aggressive saving modes. If issues persist, reset battery or power settings to defaults, or consult device support. This usually resolves stubborn scheduling or profile conflicts, so Ultra Mode no longer interferes with everyday use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.